In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cast Quest 2 games on Discord. Here's the plan. First, we'll mirror your Quest 2 to your computer, either directly to a desktop app view or through a web browser. Then we'll share that cast window in a Discord voice channel so your friends can watch in real time. This method is simple, reliable, and doesn't require any fancy capture cards. Put on your Quest 2 and press the Meta button to open the universal menu. Look for the camera panel and select Cast. When the cast options appear, choose either Computer if you see your PC listed, or select the browser option that points you to castmeta.com. If you're going the browser route, open a modern browser like Chrome or Edge on your computer, head to cast.meta.com and follow the on-screen prompt to connect. You may be asked to approve the cast request inside the headset. Go ahead and confirm. After a moment, you should see your Quest screen live on your computer. If the cast doesn't start, make sure your headset and PC are on the same Wi-Fi network, then refresh the browser page and try again. Keep the cast tab or window visible and active. Minimizing it can sometimes pause or affect performance. For a smoother view, you can resize the window to fill the screen. This makes it easier to share later. Now switch to Discord on your computer. Join a voice channel where you want to stream. At the bottom, click the screen icon to start sharing. You'll see options to share a specific application window like your browser tab or the cast window or your entire screen. Choosing the entire screen is generally more stable and ensures your viewers never miss the action if you click away. If your Discord client shows an option to include audio, toggle it on so game sound from the cast can be heard by your viewers. Select the correct screen or window, then click Go Live. Your Quest 2 gameplay is now visible to everyone in the channel. If anyone reports choppy video, try lowering other apps on your PC, make the cast window the focus, and keep your Wi-Fi signal strong. Discord may limit stream resolution and frame rate based on your plan and system performance, so adjust expectations accordingly. When you're done, just end the stream in Discord and stop casting from the camera panel in your headset. That's it. Quick, clean, and perfectly shareable. Enjoy your session and have fun streaming your Quest 2 games on Discord.